Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss top 5 dictionary questions in Python. And if you are looking for any analyst roles, then these questions are asked in almost all interviews. So, our first question is, we have to update our dictionary in Python. So here I have already created two dictionaries. My first dictionary is having grades for two subjects of a student, and my second dictionary is having grades for other two subjects for same student. So we have to update our dictionary 1 with the key values of dictionary 2, and for that we will use update method. So I'm going to use my dictionary 1, and with that I'm going to call my update method, and in this update method I'm going to pass my dictionary 2. So I'm going to run my first cell followed by second cell, and now our dictionary first has been updated. So let's check whether the key value pairs of second dictionary has been moved to dictionary first or not. So I'm going to print my first dictionary. So we can see that my first dictionary got updated with key value pairs of second dictionary. Similarly, if we are given multiple dictionaries, then along with this update method we can use for loop, and by using for loop we can put all key value pairs of these three dictionaries in a single dictionary. Let's do it. So I'm going to create an empty dictionary with name final. Then I'm going to use a for loop, and this for loop will iterate through each dictionary, and it will update my final empty dictionary with the key value pairs of all these three dictionaries. So here I have created a list which is carrying all three dictionaries, and this for loop will iterate through each dictionary, and in each iteration my empty dictionary final will be updated. So I'm going to run this cell and then this cell. Let's print final dictionary and see whether all key value pairs of dictionaries has been moved or not. So I'm going to print my final dictionary, and we can see that the subjects and their respective grades have been moved to my final dictionary. Now coming to next question, we have to check whether a key already exists in a dictionary or not. So I have created this dictionary with two key value pairs. Key 1 is having value 10 and key 2 is having value 23, and I have to check whether key 1 exists in my dictionary D or not. And for this I am going to use simple if-else statement. So here I have created a simple if-else statement which will check if key 1 exists in my given dictionary, then this statement will be printed, and if this key does not exist in my given dictionary, then this statement will be printed. So let's run these cells. So we can see that since key 1 exists in my dictionary D, therefore my first statement was printed. Similarly, we can check for another key. Let's replace this key 1 with key 3, and this time if we run this cell, we can see that second statement, which is my else statement, got printed. This is because key 3 was not present in my dictionary D. That's why we received this result. Now coming to next question, Here we have to add new keys to a dictionary. Suppose we are given a dictionary with one key value pair. Its key is color with value red, and we have to add another key value pair to it. So first run this cell. So our dictionary is created. Now suppose I have to add another key value pair to it. So for that I will call the dictionary name, and then with the help of indexing I'm going to pass name for the key. Suppose I want to add a fruit orange pair to it, so I'm going to pass the name of key as fruit, and then we will assign a value to it. Let's say it's orange. Now I'm going to run this cell. Now let us check whether this key value pair has been inserted in our dictionary or not. So I'm going to print my dictionary by calling its name, and we can see that another key value pair of fruit and orange has been added to our dictionary. Now coming to next question, how can we remove a key from a Python dictionary? Suppose this is my another dictionary with key values as vegetable 1 and carrot, and second pair is vegetable 2 and its corresponding value is orange. Now we know that orange is not a vegetable, it's a fruit. So we need to remove this from dictionary. So for that we will use a pop method. So I'm going to call my dictionary and apply pop method to it. And within this pop method I have to pass the name of key which needs to be removed. Since I have to remove my key vegetable 2, so I will pass its name. And then run this cell. We can see that the value orange has been printed, which means that this key value pair has been removed. Let's check whether it has been removed or not by printing this dictionary dict. So clearly vegetable 1 with corresponding value carrot is left, and my second key value pair of vegetable 2 with value orange has been removed from my dictionary. Now moving to our next question. Here we have to subtract one dictionary from another dictionary. So here we have created two dictionaries, D1 and D2. In my first dictionary I have given three key value pairs, that is browser 1 is my Chrome, browser 2 is Firefox, and browser 3 is Edge. And in second dictionary I have two key value pairs, that is first one is browser 2 Firefox and browser 3 is Edge. So I have to subtract my dictionary 2 from dictionary 1, and as a result only this key value pair will be left in the end. And for that I'm going to call a data type in Python called set, and I'm going to pass my dictionaries within them. So what we are doing over here is we have called our first dictionary with its items method on it. Similarly, I have called my second dictionary and called items method on it, and both these dictionaries are getting converted into set because direct subtraction of one dictionary from another dictionary is not possible in Python. That's why we have to first convert them in set, and then only subtraction is possible. So I'm going to store the results of these two sets in a variable called diff. Let's run this cell. Now if I print this diff variable, we can see that a key value pair of browser 1 and Chrome is left in the end, which means that my two key value pairs got removed. But one point to note over here is that this is not a dictionary. This is a set. Because here we have first converted our dictionaries into sets and then taken difference between them. We can also check this by using type method and passing diff variable to it. We can see that the type of this diff variable is set. That is, it is not a dictionary. And to convert this set into dictionary, we will call dict method and pass the diff variable to it. Now this set has got converted into dictionary. So these were top 5 dictionary questions which are asked in almost all analyst rules. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in next video.